Hello friends, here is 40 mysterious photo overlay you can use in just Photoshop, and these files are protected. Password in this app, go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK, and here is offered now 60% off. Now app is $1.99, that's mean in $2. Basically rate is $5. You can download in 7 hours. Here is Sheri SK Facebook page, you can follow. Last is Sheri SK official Telegram channel. I will provide every link of video first here. Okay, this folder have a to just image for preview. Size is 5000 equal to 3500. Okay, for example, here is red color, dresses of girl, and okay, open this one in Photoshop. Now we need a photo. Open this one, and here size is 1000 and this size is 5000. 1000, convert and simply drag there. Depend your own choice, you can more better. Click here on screen. Okay, drag and press Ctrl U for color. Okay, I think here is better, so you can make more better. Hardness 30. Oh, sorry. Okay, I tell you, just for example, you can adjust more better. $1000 because this image size is 1000. Screen. Wow, amazing. You can make more better in Photoshop. Close it and next image this one. Drag there. Click on screen. So you can adjust this. I hope these overlays are useful for you. Subscribe me and download this app in offer time. Take care. Allah Hafiz.